Hello, this is Rosita Ignar, and I want to say something for you people. No, the words of God is a very important, and this is the commandments. So we can follow. If we can follow that, so we are saved. And our heart is really, really good. And already also our brain and our heart and our soul is changed if we have this one. This is a Mark 12:30 and 31. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strengths. So that's the God said. And then the important is the second most important commandment is this: love your neighbor as you love yourself. So love your neighbor as you love yourself. There is no other commandments more important than these two: love your neighbors and love yourself. And then here also in the Luke 10 verse 27 is the same. So Jesus answered, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strengths, and with all your mind, and love your neighbor as yourself. And also here in John 14 verse 23, Jesus answered to Judas, Iscariote. It says, Jesus answered him, those who love me will obey my teaching. My Father will love them, and my Father and I will come to them and live with them. So that's the commandments. The command of our God is command. Komando siya, komando. Kailangan natin gagawin. So love our God, because if you love our God, so we don't want that God is become angry to us, and then we don't want to. Our God is nasaktan in Tagalog. It's like masasaktan. So that's why when we love our God, so we want that God is happy. That's why. So if you love our God, so we want our God is happy. So that's why our heart is very pure if we do that. Kung gagawin natin yan. Kaya maging obedient tayo sa ating Panginoon. Yun lang. Thank you so much, and God bless you everybody. This is Rosita Ignar, and I love you, and God love you so much, and God love you. All His people, and His people is the one to obey His commandment. And what is the commandment? Love one another. Because if we don't love one another, so we cannot follow the 10 commandments. You know the 10 commandments in the Exodus 20, 1 to 17. Like, so you can go there and see that Exodus 20. Because if we cannot follow that one, if we don't have love God and love one another, so we cannot follow that. Yeah, that's all. So that's why we must have love God 100%. I love you. This is Rosita Ignar. I love you so much. Mwah. And don't forget to subscribe and comment and see you again. Bye bye. I love you.